Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Keele University's eVision account. Let's get started. So to log into your Keele University's eVision account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Keele University's eVision login. And after searching for that, you will come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option is from Keele Universities, and after tapping on that option you will direct it to this page, and from here you can log into your account. So to log into your account, what you can do is just tap on student and staff login. So if you are a member of student and staff, what you can do is just tap on this option, but if you are an applicant and you want to log into your account, what you can do is just tap on applicants login. After tapping on that option, now what you can do is just enter your email address. So simply enter your Keele University's email address which you have. After entering your email address, you have to enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on sign in and you will successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password and then create a new password for your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Keele University's eVision account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.